In this video, I'm going to give you a defensive riding tip for one of the most common causes of motorcycle crashes. That's right, cars turning left. From 2010 to 2015, TTI, the Texas A&M Transportation Institute, did a 5-year motorcycle crash analysis. And in their analysis, they found that among multi-vehicle crashes at intersections, the most common contributing factor was failure to yield the right-of-way while turning left at 25%. So no matter how long you've been riding, this tip's for you. And it may just keep you from being a statistic. So stay right there. Hey guys, it's Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're serious about taking your riding skills to another level, then hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you don't miss any new videos that I post. Okay, so now let's talk about cars turning left. Now we go to plenty of these accidents at work, and what do you think the driver normally tells us when we get there? That's right, I never saw the motorcycle. And the motorcyclist, if they can talk to us, usually says, he was looking right at me. So I think one mistake that riders make is that all because they're looking in our direction, we assume that they see us. But really all we know is they're looking in our direction. We really don't know what they see. In this photo, you see a vehicle that's waiting to turn left. As I'm approaching a vehicle that wants to make a left turn, I first look at the driver to see if they're looking in my direction. If they are, that's a good start. I then focus on the tires of the vehicle because this is a dead giveaway and it takes all the guesswork out of it. If the tires are moving, the car's moving. If the tire's not moving, then the car's not moving. As I'm approaching the vehicle and the tires begin to move, I will cover my horn and come up with my defensive riding strategy. Now this could be anything from hitting your horn, flashing your lights, or even changing lane positions. Do whatever it takes to be safe. Now this photo, you can see that the vehicle's tires are turned. To me, this is more of an aggressive posture. This tells me that whenever this driver gets a small window of opportunity, he or she is going to go for it. So when I see this, I'm even more ready to respond. Now I cannot tell you how much I hate driving at night, especially when cars are turning left, because everything we've talked about I can't use. I can't see the driver, I can't see the tires of the vehicle because it's dark, and I'm blinded by headlights. So when it comes to driving at night and you're approaching vehicles that are turning left, you have to be extra cautious. Also, these techniques that I'm talking to you about can also be used for vehicles that are making right turns as well. So now let me give you another analogy. How many of you played basketball growing up, or even may still play basketball? So what do they tell you to look at when you're playing defense? That's right, the belly button or the midsection. That's because the body can't move unless the belly button and midsection move. It's the same principle here. If the tires are moving, the car's moving. If the tire's not moving, the car's not moving. It's a dead giveaway. Now I want to thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and share it with other riders. And also hit up on that comment section below and leave any tips that you use when it comes to cars making left turns. So until next time, practice, and ride safe.